Hello there, welcome to the setup program of Plc KN41 Hbc Plc Flash Butt Welding Machine. The machine needs at least 7 bars compressed air source. Make sure to supply a minimum of 7 bars compressed dry air to the machine. The machine needs 3-phase neutral and ground connections. After completing the cable connections, make sure of the connection by hanging on the cables. Do not forget to press the restart button after turning on the machine. The machine has a phase control module. For this reason, you will experience a phase loss alarm if you have the wrong wire rows. Please do not hold your hand around the jaws when the machine is running in the referencing process. You can connect your cooling system to the machine if you have already purchased it or if your facility has a cooling system. Welcome to Plc Worldwide family.